place in Sag Harbor, Long Island, called Cavagnola's, and it's a very wonderful little gourmet takeout shop. And I saw the salads packed in a jar, and I said, "Oh, I'm going to do that." So we have elaborated on this, on the idea. And drinks, very important on a picnic.
Yeah.
So, and if you don't want it spilling all over the place, a bottle of white wine.
Now, I always think of sangria with red wine.
Well, I like it's so refreshing with white wine.
Yeah.
And then lots of fruit. We have pineapple cut up.
Okay.
We have apricots cut up, and the apricots are in season right now. Peaches. You can put citrus fruit if you like. Ginger as a zip.
You got a little mint in there?
Yeah, you can throw the mint in.
Okay.
The mango. You can have papaya. You can have cantaloupe, honeydew.
Now, do you let this sit for a certain
Oh,
amount
yes,
of time?
it's best to let it sit at least an hour.
Okay.
You have to have a half a cup of Cointreau.
Oh.
Because that gives that wonderful citrusy flavor, and 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice.
Great.
And stir that up.
Do we refrigerate?